Breakfast is come from the frost.
O, ano lang ka ng anak mo?
Coming from the heart. Red cross.
Red course. Okay. Oh, put the other side of heaven. Wow, very good Oh,
Now, triangle. What else?
oh, put other
The other shape.
other shape of the heaven.
Mo, very good
Wow,
ng
very
baby.
good Ang galing naman yan. Bigyan ng jacket yan.
Very good.
Oh,
The heart. Where's the heart? There you
this
go.
is the heart, baby.
Papa, mo ituro. Go, anak. Yeah.
It's your
Go there,
heart.
go there na. You put it
And
na.
this is your, this one is your.
Papa is just a distraction. Go na, anak.
Okay, wait, put the,
Sige na. Put it back. There you go. Iharap mo sa kanya, Papa, yung table, yung board. Para ma-place mo na maayos yung heart.
oh,
Iharap mo sa kanya.
sorry.
Gusto niya siya naglalagay. Ayaw niya ikaw. What's that? Oh, wow.
Mabilis ang turuan to pag nag-school na.
What's that? Itaas mo yung board. Itaas mo yung board. There you go. Circle. Triangle. Very good. Triangle yan. Square.
There.
Very good. Where are you going to put that?
No, just not.
Where's the square? There you go. Very good. What else? Oh, what else? Where's the rectangle?
What is this? Oh, need to change your diaper. Ha?
Rectangle, anak mo. Later na mag-change.